Hello, this is Jared with Banjo Corporation. Just want to share with you some do's and don'ts on your pump today. One of the first big ones is never run the pump dry. Running the pump dry will cause seal failure. This style of pump uses the product that you're pumping to keep that seal cool. So if there's no product running through the pump, you'll have a pretty quick problem with heat, and then that will soon take out the seal, causing it to fail. Do not ever pump flammables with this pump. It's not rated for fuels. Do not restrict the inlet of the pump. When restricting the inlet of the pump, one of the problems you may run into is, say for example, you have a 2-inch suction line, and if you're trying to use a 1-inch on this to feed the pump, then it's obviously not going to get enough product through the pump to keep that seal conditioned, which will cause seal failure. Always throttle back or shut off the pump before closing the outlet valve. This pump's design is to move about 190 to 200 gallons a minute. And if you have a valve down the line that you shut off, it has to get rid of that flow quickly, which if it deadheads into a closed valve, the back pressure is going to damage the seal area of the pump. Always make sure that the product that you're pumping through the pump is compatible with the rubber components that's on the inside of the pump. We offer 3 different options for seal material. We do EPDM, FKM, and Buna-N type seals. You can also check our chemical resistance chart to see which may be the best for your application. Have maintenance check the engine oil daily for pumps that are put into use and used sometimes, all day long. But yeah, like I said, keep the oil up on the engine. Gas-driven pumps should have fuel stabilizer added if the entire gas tank is not going to be used within 30 days. This will help you when getting your pump back out, helping it start easier so you don't get debris and gum in your carburetor area. In the off season, when you're done for the year, it really helps to flush your pump out with water, especially if you're putting chemicals through the pump. After flushing with water, make sure that you drain the complete housing, because a lot of time what happens is water will sit down in this V body shape, and then as the temperature gets cold outside, it will turn to ice and cause the body to crack out. So make sure you always drain the pump out. Another option that we have, if you have seal fails in the field, we do have some videos underneath resources on the Banjo website that will give you step-by-step repair for your poly pump. You can also feel free to contact us if you have questions or concerns about your system, or if the pump is capable to work the way you may need it to work. So that's just a quick rundown of some quick do's and don'ts for pump care. Thanks for watching.